Septic tank care is way easier than most people make it out to be, and if you handle it right, it can totally last you decades without drama. So, you want to keep your septic system running smooth, right? First off, schedule a pump out every 2 to 3 years that keeps the sludge from piling up and messing things up. Avoid flushing anything weird like wipes, grease, or harsh chemicals, because they can kill the good bacteria that break down the waste. Be chill about water use too. Don't overload your system with 5 loads of laundry back to back or a ton of showers in one day. Plant grass or shallow-rooted plants around your drain field, but no trees or deep roots that could poke holes in the pipes. Make sure your gutters and rainwater drain away from the septic area to avoid flooding it out. And if you're ever unsure about what goes down the drain, just remember, if it's not human waste or toilet paper, don't flush or pour it. Lastly, keep heavy vehicles off your drain field. Crushing the pipes is a fast way to big trouble. One of the biggest septic system mistakes is skipping regular pump outs. Ignoring this leads to sludge buildup that clogs everything and costs thousands to fix. Another common issue is flushing non-biodegradable stuff, which kills the bacteria needed for breaking down waste and causes backups. Lastly, overloading your system with too much water at once floods the drain field and stops it from working right. Spacing out water use and fixing leaks helps avoid this. Fix these by sticking to scheduled maintenance, being careful what you flush, and spreading out water use over the day. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. Contractors get a solid way to connect with people who really need their skills, so everyone wins when it comes to home projects and septic care.